Hey, guess what? I told you in step 2, I left out something. I left out this image size in between set background and make adjustments, okay? The black and white adjustment layer and naming this background layer original image. So as an added bonus, if you have an action, this one actually works, but if you have something that doesn't work correctly, you can edit it here, or you can just throw it away and then record a new action starting with the step at which you want to insert that action. So I'm going to go up here and go File, Revert, right there, taking me back to this starter file. Now I'm going to give you this file, okay? So because what we did in that prior video where we made this texture, I forgot to change the image size. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate, and no, I'm not in button mode because I'm going to be editing. And now, after set background, I want to change the image size. Option Command I, image size. Figure it out. 5333, hit tab. And with constrained proportions on, the aspect ratio is 5333 by 4000. Okay, I'm going to click OK. That resizes the image. Only, bonehead, what I didn't do is click record. So I'm not recording this again. This is it. Set background. This is where I want to put it. Now you got to click the record action button. My goodness. This is how it really works. You make mistakes. You learn from your mistakes, right? This is how it works. I'm recording. Image size. 5333, constrained proportions is on, and we'll click OK. That resizes it. Now we can stop the action and revert this file revert, and I'm going to give you this so you can work along with it. And now if we want to turn a portrait image into a landscape, we rotate this 90 degrees. I'm not in button mode because I was editing all this, and you can play out your actions here as well. They don't even have to be open. I'm going to play out this action in order to create our base texture and all our layers, and we're right here where we can edit just as promised, only this time the image size is actually correct. If you check image size, Option Command I, 5333, 4000, if yours aren't those numbers, you did it wrong. We want our textures all to be the same size. And for the higher resolution cameras, we'll talk about where we might go with those. But for now, this is a great starting point. We can always make a new action and run these actions. It's so simple, right? I'm going to click cancel because that's just right. So our next step is saving out our textures. Let's come back and let's do that in the first take. What an idea.